So today we're here with Oxygen Activeplay Media City, and I'm doing a traditional drone tour, but I thought it's a good opportunity to give you an insight into what we do on a drone tour, what it looks like, and obviously the things that we try and highlight or promote for Oxygen Activeplay. So some of the key things for us is, yeah, we want to do some really nice, creative, dives and dips and rolls and things like that. But what we really want to do is give the end user, somebody who's never seen the location, give them a clear idea of what they can expect when they come to this venue. So looking at things like the reception area, the welcome section, and then obviously the process that they have to get to the trampoline park. So in a trampoline park, there's obviously various segments. So there's a high line here, there's the inflatables, there's the trampoline baskets over here, there's skylines, there's airbags, there's a strike arena. So our job is to make sure that we can showcase that in the best light, but also make it engaging so that somebody scrolling on TikTok, for example, stops and says, wow, this looks amazing. So with that in mind, what I tend to do on a shoot like this is I spend some time walking through the entire location with the team, looking at various angles, looking at what's gonna work, what might not work, looking at the possibilities that would really make something stand out when you're just scrolling and scrolling and scrolling. So key things that we like to focus on is making sure that we have a nice line, meaning things move smoothly, there's not a lot of stop, start, having to turn. We like to use a lot of momentum, keeping the flow going. We've got quite a few staff members here today, so we have choreographed sequences where we get people to jump at certain times, to go on the high line at certain times, and it's quite an interactive way of filming, and it's also a good way to show everyone how the equipment can be used, what's possible with them, and how much fun they can have when they come to a location like this. Done.
Yeah!
Wowee.
Thank you for working around with what things.
That's an absolute pleasure.